To install the windshield on your RZR 200, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Set the parking brake and remove the key. Next, place the windshield on a soft surface. And ensure the lock and ride clamps on the windshield are open. There will be 4 on the full windshield and 2 on the half windshield. Then, seat the bottom edge with the seal into the hood and align the windshield with the ROPS. Finally, pull the lock and ride clamps onto the ROPS to secure the windshield. To remove the windshield, push the lock and ride clamps open and pull the windshield away to remove. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.